Hey there, True Value Nation. Brett here with True Value Rental. As you may know, last week was National Signing Day. You probably watched lots of important high school football all-stars sign with colleges across the country. But most important signing of all was Allendale True Value Rental joining the Penske team. Allendale True Value now offers Penske Truck Rentals and can now fulfill all of your moving needs. Give us a call today and ask us for more detail about our brand new addition. Make it easy, make it Penske.